how to log in to Housing Finance or create account for Housing Finance Bank. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can register or log in to Housing Finance Bank. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. In order to log in or create an account for Housing Finance Bank, simply head over to your browser. Now first you can type in Housing Finance login and you can see the first link that says Housing Finance Bank online banking. You can tap on it there on the very first link and you'll be headed to the login page. Here you must be headed here, so you can see SFB online banking and you can see mobile banking. You can tap on the particular option and then you can head over to that particular page. So there you'll be able to log in, right? Similarly, if you wanna go ahead and create account, then you can type in Housing Finance application. Sorry, here now it's been housing loan. Make sure you type it in correctly or you might have an error like me. So I'll just type in Housing Finance application. So as you can see, you want to type in Housing Finance Bank application. Then you can see the very first link here, housingfinance.co.uk SFB mobile banking Housing Finance Bank. You can tap on it. Then you want to tap on the hamburger icon at the right hand side of the screen. Then you can tap on accounts option. Then you want to select a service, savings account or current accounts or others. Then I'll just choose saving account. Then I will choose Save Bliss account. Make sure to choose the particular account that you wish to register for. Then you can see the features. You'll be able to see the benefits, requirements, and you can see apply now option. Go ahead and tap on apply now, enter in the necessary details and submit it, and you're good to go. So this is how you can log in or create account for Housing Finance Bank. Hope this helped you to like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.